I'm Ratna Devarapalli, working for United Airlines as an IT director in architecture, platform engineering, and DevOps.
Hi, I'm Raji Koppala. I'm working as senior manager of DevOps team at United Airlines.
We had a United Next strategy that our CEO came up with. So it's an aggressive growth plan for United. We wanted to grow our business by 150% in terms of routes, in terms of revenue, in terms of being the best in the industry.
As part of United Next objective, we started modernizing our DevOps toolset. We're pushing teams to migrate to cloud, and that has a chain dependency. They had to do it much faster. Instead of one deployment, we suddenly had to do 100 deployments per day.
We had scalability issues, running things in parallel with TeamCity and all other tools that we currently had.
How many parallel CI builds can run at that point of time, or how many deployments can go parallelly at that point of time. There's huge wait times to build a CI, to deploy into any environment for that matter.
And then there is a culture issue that we have with our developers. When I say culture, developer thinking, shift left approach for security, shift left approach for unit testing, and a lot of different things. So we are really looking for some sort of guardrails that we want to put in our DevOps processes.
There is a lot of security compliance upgrades that keep happening within the organization, and there is no easy way to get them notified on what's going on at central level.
We wanted to concentrate more on innovation and moving things to the cloud rather than worrying about the tools, skills, people, and culture. We felt that Harness can provide all of these. So it is giving us a platform rather than just a DevOps tool. So now we are able to put the policies and governance in place, and then we were able to take the shift left approach of the developers, thinking about security first, thinking about unit testing first.
We started building automation around generating pipelines dynamically using the templates that we already built. So that kind of gave us opportunity to invest time on optimizing the process, educating the application teams.
Product owner can actually do the deployments with the innovation that we have done in United by sitting on his team's channel. By creating a ticket in Jira directly, and Harness will take care of the rest.
Basically, it is given to them as a service, so they can use the template and build the CI pipeline in seconds.
We are actually giving back developers' time. Developer doesn't have to babysit deployments anymore. Developer doesn't have to worry about where the code is being deployed and which environment is going to be deployed. And then he can actually go to the Harness dashboard and then look at the dashboard and then see where all the things are deployed.
I think even DevOps teams do repeat a lot of things in their day-to-day work. We wanted to reduce that to optimize their efforts in order to, get them working on the things that matter for United Next or for the application teams.
By choosing Harness, we were able to give the governance policies to all the developers inbuilt so that they don't have to go back and forth.
So Harness gives us this amazing features, policy as governance and template governance, through which you can enforce organizational standards without even application teams realizing there's a new policy in place.
So with Harness, the templatization, the governance, with everything that we have, we are able to create 10 pipelines in 50 seconds, which is a huge gain for United.
Before Harness, we have the CI/CD tools that were taking almost 22 minutes to finish a CI build, and with Harness, maximum it is 5 minutes. So we have seen 75% efficiency over there.
Harness being hosted on EKS, which actually gave us 100% scalability.
It has parallel execution capabilities. You don't need to do your testing one by one, but you can trigger your tests parallelly. Your unit test, your code quality test, your SAST scanning, everything goes parallelly. And you can orchestrate what will decide the build to go next. application setup within the harness is also automated. The onboarding of applications into harness automated. Onboarding of the people into harness is automated. Harness is kind of a platform that is actually enabling us to bring all these automation pieces together and give a seamless experience to application teams in order to build their CI/CD pipelines, do their deployments, and to have their deployments getting monitored after the deployment is done.
Whoever is migrating to cloud, whether it's AWS, GCP, or any other cloud, as a matter of fact, everybody's facing the same problems, right? So solving all of these problems and then giving back the time to the developers, who wouldn't like it, right? So we saw the gains in United. Now we are more efficient rather than a couple of years back. So these are the gains, these are the efficiencies that we have achieved in United using Harness platform.